So the big question is this: how do investors like us who trade options and manage our own money generate income regardless of where the stock market goes, and do it all in a way that lets us make time for the people and things we love, and yet still build wealth and remain profitable? That's the question, and this podcast will give you the answer. I'm your host, Kirk Duplessis, and you're listening to The Daily Call from Option Alpha. Hey everyone, this is Kirk here again from Option Alpha, and welcome back to The Daily Call. Today we're going to be talking about options trading golden rule number 5, which is that I believe you have to be a net option seller. So there's no doubt that we have the most comprehensive research and database on option selling strategies and option buying strategies. In fact, when we released our profit matrix research, which was arguably the most in-depth analysis of different option strategies, different variations and settings, tickers and industries, what we found is that most of the time, when you are using an option selling strategy over an option buying strategy, you end up generating more money long term. Now, this isn't to say that option buying strategies can't work in a vacuum. They could work in a particular month or a particular market event. And I see people all the time touting these 75%, 50%, 100% returns as the baseline scenario for what you should do. But I highly doubt that they're actually achieving those results on a compounded basis, meaning they might have a really good month or they might have a really good quarter or year, but it's highly unlikely that they're actually going to hit those numbers year after year, month after month. Because at some point, compounding wise, you'd basically own the world. You would be as big as some countries or as big as some corporations just from these option buying strategies. And they never work out long term. So what we do see is that option selling premium and becoming more of an insurance type company in this business by selling premium and collecting the volatility edge that's embedded in option prices ends up being more successful long term. So does this mean that you should only use option selling strategies? By no means no. There are definitely times where you could use an option buying strategy to potentially take advantage of a market situation or a drop in implied volatility or a big move in an underlying stock. But what you should do is you should focus on net option selling as the core basis of your portfolio. This means that most of your capital, most of your cash should be allocated towards option selling strategies and option selling strategies where you are a net seller of options as part of your positions. So hopefully this helps out. As always, if you guys have any questions, let me know. And until next time, happy trading. Thanks for joining us on The Daily Call. Be sure to subscribe right now for more daily options trading ideas, strategies, and tactics to help you learn how to place smarter, more profitable trades. And if you like what we're doing, don't forget to give us a rating and a review so we can continue to bring you the best daily content possible. We'll see you again tomorrow, right here on The Daily Call from OptionAlpha.com.